Alright, so this is the Civitar 120 that I've been flying. It's fine, flies okay, but I have a bunch of other 2.5s that I like, and so I don't mind taking the parts out of this to use in the Bravo 30. Even the motors I should be able to salvage, because this, as sitting here, is 289 grams, and from my calculations, the Bravo 30 is going to come in about the same weight, actually a little bit less. So the only things I might change out is this has the Runcam Nano 2 camera, and I kind of like the Phoenix 2 camera instead, so I might put that in there. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to take it apart and get some things swapped over to the Bravo 30 frame. Alright, the swap over wasn't too bad to do mechanically. No real big issues. The main thing I had some trouble with was mounting the antenna, so I put one of these fixed mount connectors on there. I think that'll give me a much more solid connection, and then you can put a adjustable antenna on there so that you can get a good signal over top of the camera versus one that's kind of embedded as a little stub on the end there. I designed a GoPro mount here, and I soft mounted it on there. It's a little softer than it needs to be. I've been able to just hard mount my GoPro on the other two quads, so I might just drop this mount down and just hard mount it onto the carbon fiber frame there. This opening at the bottom here is really meant to stay open for airflow for the DJI air unit that would usually sit under here. But there's holes here. I might make a little grill cover to cover that up and keep the grass and the dust out of that a little bit. I do have, I don't have the full 3-inch props on here, mainly because I don't have any that come with the screw mount. I have ordered some, so that's the next part, will be putting the correct propellers on here and doing some flight testing. As far as configuration goes, I did, since the controller was flipped over, I had to go into beta flight and set up the orientation for 180 degrees for the roll axis, and then I did have to remap the motors since the whole thing has been flipped over. And there's a bunch of videos out there on how to remap your motors. The original Civitar had props out, and I reversed that in Betaflight as well. So keep all of my quads the same with the props in configuration. Other than that, it worked out pretty good. See you in the next part.